Okay, Andy, today we're going to demonstrate phoneme grapheme mapping or sound mapping. And we're going to start with a grid. Each box is a separate sound and a separate grapheme. Okay, so let me show you how we do this. Our first word is rat. Say rat.
Rat.
Okay, I'm going to pull down a disc for each sound that I hear. A, t. Then I'm going to touch and say a, t. Blend, rat. What's the first sound in rat? And what letter makes that sound?
R.
Nice job. What's the next sound in rat?
A.
And what letter makes that sound?
A.
What's the last sound in rat?
T.
And what letter makes that sound?
T.
Nice job. Now I'm going to write that word rat right over here. You ready to try one?
Yep.
Okay. Our next word is say such.
Such.
Go ahead and pull down the sounds in such.
S. Ch.
Nice job. What's your first sound in such?
S.
And what letter?
S.
Go ahead and write your S right there. What's your next sound in such?
And
what letter is that?
U.
Good job. And what's our last sound in such?
Ch.
Good. What letters say ch?
CH.
Nice. Those digraphs CH. So you're going to write that in one box because it's one sound. Okay. Go ahead and write the word such over here. Okay, here's our next word. Say miss.
Miss.
Go ahead and pull down the sounds in miss.
S.
Touch and say.
S.
Blend.
Miss.
Good. What's your first sound in miss? What letter?
M.
What's your next sound in miss? What letter?
I.
What's your last sound in miss?
S.
And what letters are going to be put there as one of our spelling rules?
S. S.
Right, because it is our bonus letter rule. Good job. Go ahead and spell the word miss. Okay. Our next one we're going to try is the word shrunk. Say shrunk.
Shrunk.
Okay, let's go ahead and pull down the sounds for shrunk.
Sh.
Beautiful job. Touch and say.
Sh.
Nice.
Shrunk.
Good. What's your first sound in shrunk?
Sh.
And what letters say sh?
SH.
Right, your digraph SH. What's the next sound that you hear in shrunk? What letter?
R.
Next sound? What letter?
U.
Next sound? What letter?
N.
And your last sound in shrunk? What letter?
K.
Nice. Okay, go ahead and spell the word shrunk. Go ahead and say the letters as you're spelling that.
SHRUNK.
Beautiful.
Shrunk.
Nice job. There's a variation that students really enjoy as well. So if we go ahead and put our sounds for shrunk, sh, k, we touch and say, in order to blend it, we can use our magic wand, is what I call it. So go ahead and blend the word shrunk and say the word as you're blending it.
Shrunk.
Beautiful job. They really like to use that. Okay, so that's mapping individual phonemes. What I'm going to show you now is how we do syllable mapping, and this is syllable spelling. So I'm going to show you if we have a word like admit. Say admit.
Admit.
Okay, so go ahead and pull down the syllables in admit.
Admit.
Nice job. Touch your first syllable. Say
Add.
add. And how would you spell add?
A-D.
Okay, go ahead and pull it up and spell that syllable. Nice job. Touch the next syllable in admit.
Mit.
Okay, and how would you spell mit?
M-I-T.
Nice. Go ahead and spell the word admit.
Admit.
Nice job. Another thing that you can do too is have students identify the syllable types. For admit, your first syllable is a closed syllable. Since it's a closed syllable, it will have a short vowel sound that'll say ad. So that's ad. Your second syllable is also a closed syllable. So we're going to go ahead and identify that and the short syllable. So the word is admit. Nice job. Okay, your next one is, say, reptile.
Reptile.
Go ahead and pull down the sounds for the syllables for reptile.
Reptile.
Nice job. Go ahead and tap the first syllable.
Rep.
How would you spell rep?
R-E-P.
Okay. What's the next syllable in reptile?
Tile.
And how would you spell tile?
T-I-L-E.
Nice job. Go ahead and spell the word reptile.
Reptile.
Okay. And again, you can have students identify the syllable type. So in reptile, the first syllable is a closed syllable. Since it's a closed syllable, it's going to have a short vowel sound. The next syllable in reptile is tile, and it is a vowel consonant E syllable. So you can have them identify vowel consonant E. The E doesn't say it's anything, and the I says its name. Okay, so what's your word?
Reptile.
Okay, let's go ahead and I'm going to have you read all the words that we did today.
Rat. Such. Miss. Shrunk. Admit. Reptile.
Great. And of course, when we're doing sound spelling boxes or syllable spelling, we want to make sure that we are using words that you're currently, the skills that you're currently doing with the students. You want to make sure that those skills are the same as the words that you use for your sound spelling. Thanks, Andy.
Great. You're welcome, Miss Turner.